Hey guys, balik lagi sama aku di video unboxing. Hari ini aku mau mengunboxing Lenovo Ideapad 320 dengan prosesor AMD 9. Kalau kalian ingin tahu, ini spek lengkapnya. Okay, so let's begin the unboxing. Here we have the laptop unit, of course, from Lenovo, and so the power cord, and guarantee books. And yes, look, there's nothing more. First, we're gonna do with the power cord, and this is original from Lenovo. You can see the input and output. Chargernya biasa ya, biasa yang ada di Indonesia. Dan juga laptopnya ini berwarna grey ya. Ada tipe 3 warna, black, grey, dan yang satunya blue. This laptop was built with aluminium, guys. Oh iya, dan saat aku beli laptop ini aku juga mendapatkan bonus yaitu mouse dan tas original from Lenovo. So, yeah, that's it guys. It's unboxing video by the way. I don't want to turn more into review, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to get the news from this channel, just click the ring bell. See you in the next video. Bye.